Hey, it's been almost a year since I've posted a new video. I missed you too. And look, what happened to my hair? You'll find out when the videos start coming out. I've been really busy putting together a new channel. I had to change up my game. I don't want to struggle the way I did on a bicycle. So I've taken a used cargo van and tricked it out to suit my needs, to have a safe place to edit videos without the limitation of not having electricity. Now I've got this fine electrical system, and so I can charge all my electronics, which I use for making videos, which was a huge limitation if you followed my channel before on a bicycle, especially the last parts with COVID, keeping every McDonald's closed. That was my go-to game, to plug everything in and grab a charge while I grabbed a coffee and used the men's room. All that came to an end, and now it's starting to open back up. But I live in this van now. I've been working behind the scenes to make it happen, and it's almost ready. This fall I'll launch my new channel about how I built the super van. I've been living in it on the road and in northern forests mostly. I'm editing a lot and have stockpiled lots of videos. I'm excited to have you see them, but they're not ready for publication yet. But this video you're about to see shows a crazy thing that happened just a few days ago while I was breaking camp after a 3-night stay, and it was really scary. I wanted to share it with you as a preview of what's to come. Why not wait till all your videos start coming out, Dougie? Well, this one shook me up, and I wanted to share it with you because that's a guaranteed way to get a bunch of good vibes going when all my fans see that Dougie did not get roasted. That'll do me good. We can share our joy about my good fortune. I could have been killed or severely burned way out in the boondocks. I would have been found eventually because fishermen come there to access the Boreas River. Stay and watch till the end because there's important news about an upcoming event. Now, on to this video. This is my propane camping stove. I was taking it apart one morning when this happened. Did you see that? Propane canister just went the whole thing, and I had a fire going. I was taking this off. When I got towards the end, it just went psh. But see, it's locked off. Man, that could have killed me. If I was standing right next to the fire and did that, and that caught fire, it would have exploded the can. Wasn't that a close call? Yes, it was. It was crazy. My luck hasn't run out, friends. Now here's the big announcement. Thanks for staying to the end of that video. My friend has set up a meet and greet at a pavilion in Michigan, in Plymouth, Michigan, northeast of Ann Arbor. So apparently there's a bunch of people in that area that follow my channel and will get a kick out of meeting me in person. I'm all for it. I'd like to meet you too. It will be kind of a send-off from a new life on the road, and the super van will be there in person too. So subscribe for notification on the exact date and time. I think it will be in early to mid-September, and if you could come, that would be so fun. And I will shake your hand, and it'll be beautiful. So now, make sure that you're subscribed so you get that notification. Click the notification bell, and it would be very helpful for you to click the like button for me. I appreciate that. Good to be back. I missed you.